How to order in Lazada app. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step guide on how to place your first order here in Lazada, Philippines. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get a complete screen record tutorial on how to order in Lazada, COD, and also the simple steps on how to do it. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ko pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Are you curious on how to order in your Lazada application? In this video, I will teach you the step-by-step guide for beginners on how to confirm your first order in Lazada. Here's the screen record tutorial on how to do it. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to make your first order in Lazada. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.